Welcome to Gr8 Health Laws. This channel is dedicated to your health, spiritual, mental, and physical. Now, on this channel, you're going to find a variety of videos. Like, for example, we have one that's on burning big piles of wood, and we have one on snakes, and we have others on renovations. They seem to be all disconnected, but they are not. See, Gr8 Health Laws has to do with not only what you do to take care of your body, mind, and spirit, but the location in which you live. God created Adam and Eve in a garden, and that was where the families of the earth were supposed to live. All of them were supposed to be in a garden, or at least have a garden, and then, of course, a home. So this is what we're doing. We're transitioning from our current home to our new property. Our new property has almost 5.5 acres, and it's out in the woods. It's out in the boonies. Our place that we currently are in now used to be like that, but there was a contractor that came in and built another 16 houses real close to us, really close. So we decided to fix up our house, sell it, and then move to this new location. So if you follow along with us in this journey, we're eventually going to get back to the health principles and may sprinkle some videos in here and there. But for now, we're just going to probably do our transition, the work that we're doing, and we've got some really neat things that we've done to our house that we want to share with you and encourage you to do the same thing. That's why we're putting the videos up, so you can see that these things are not hard to do. You can do them yourself, and then you can move out of the cities or into a place or from a place that's too crowded into the country locations that God would have us to live. That's the best place that we can be, where we have peace and quiet. We're not influenced from all of the detriments that we have in cities, or where you have people that are close around you. You've probably, even like some people who live out like where we do now, sort of like in a country, you have people and neighbors that are around you that are loud. Their music is not something that you want to hear, but they blast it, and you have to put up with it. Or they have dogs barking all night. There's all kinds of different things that you may not want. So in this journey, we're going to take you from where you are, hopefully, to a place where you can be at peace and live in the way that God designed for you to live. That's not to say that because you live in a city or a large community that God is not pleased with you. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying it's a lot better to live out in the country. And as time goes and crime gets worse, you will begin to experience that if you're not already. So please like, subscribe, and join our community. And hopefully we can all do this thing together and learn together as I read your comments and feedback, and we can have a blessing together. Take care. God bless you.